How to recover erased videos on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover erased videos on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on your activity. And now here, once you're inside the activity, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as recently deleted. And now here in this section, you will be able to see all the posts, stories, IGTV, and videos that you have deleted in the past 30 days. So there you can just tap the video that you want to restore, and after that you can just tap restore, and you can confirm by tapping on restore again. But note that Instagram only keeps deleted content in recently deleted for 30 days. So if your video is deleted for longer than 30 days, then you won't be able to recover it. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.